Hi everybody, welcome back to Matt Sally TV. So for this reaction, I'm going to be reacting to some more As It. So I've already reacted to a couple of As It songs, For the Family and Meister Yoda. And yeah, I've really enjoyed it so far. I think he's pretty cool. Yeah, one thing I wanted to know actually about As It is, I noticed his songs are on a channel called KMN Gang. And on that channel there's quite a few different artists who are all pretty awesome, like Zuna, Miami Yasin. So I just wanted to know, is that like are they like a group, or is it like a record label, or is it just a YouTube channel, KMN? From what I understand, it looks kind of like a record label, but it might just be that they're like a crew or something. So let me know, because everything on that looks awesome. It all looks fire, man. So yeah, I've been looking forward to listening to this one. This is one of the most recommended or most requested songs, Fast Life by As It. So I've been looking forward to this one. This has been on my list for a while. Just been trying to get around to it, so yeah, let's give it a listen. The link will be in the description. Go give it a watch, and yeah, let me know what you think as always. As It, Fast Life.
Sag, wer will Beef? 9 in den Jeans, renn oder schieß, yalla fuck the police. Bleiben unter uns, weiß oder bunt, kamen rein in die Bank mit den Jungs.
Okay,
jeden Tag beschäftigt, den Umsatz zu zählen. Sind wir da, wählt so die 110. Heimat kaputt, mussten fliehen vom Krieg. Hier am Block strecken sehr viel Kokain. Check! Früher hatte ich gar nichts, Reihe Fingernägel fressen mit Gassan und Ali, mit Wasser auf Party. Bis ich die Mutter von Geld nahm, sie fickte Mani Masari. Was krass, Rapper sind auf Twitter unterwegs, denn sie wissen, wir schicken sie zum Kiefer Orthopäd. Digga, alles bleibt echt wie die Filme, die wir drehen. KMN Gang, Crack, Koks, Peace, Unternehmen. Mein Bruder auf der Jagd, jeden Tag unterwegs. Ich hoffe, du verzeihst, Mama bleibt unter Tränen. Zu Hause fehlt Brot, Papa querschnittsgelähmt. Ja, wir ticken groß, bis wir uns im Mercedes sehen. Miete wurde nicht bezahlt, zu viele Probleme und er sticht frontal zu. Nonstop Wechselkarten und Spiel mit den Cops. Ich hab nichts zu verlieren, Wallah, schieß in dein Kopf. Sag, wer will Beef? 9 in den Jeans, renn oder schieß, yalla fuck the police. Bleiben unter uns, weiß oder bunt, kamen rein in die Bank mit den Jungs. Jeden Tag beschäftigt, den Umsatz zu zählen. Sind wir da, bis zu die 110. Heimat kaputt, mussten fliehen vom Krieg. Hier am Block strecken sehr viel Kokain. Check, Nase links, rechts, Fast Life. Du wirst hören, dass die Straße drin steckt. Möbelboss, Schießerei, rede nicht von Kilo. Mein Film, den ich leb, hast du gesehen im Kino. Du Pussy, mach nicht auf krass, wenn du Angst hast. Ich schieß in dein Kopf vor versammelter Mannschaft. Das ist erst der Anfang, 3 Jahre Haft. Brüder draußen sorgen dafür, dass die Anklage platzt. Oh. Brüder draußen sorgen dafür, dass die Anklage platzt. Du Nuttensohn, ich bin draußen. Wir sind alle aus der Haft. Wir haben keine 10 Euro Samsung-Handys mehr. Wir haben jetzt Blackberry. 100 Mille sind offen, draußen. Ich schau mir ab. Du schuldest mir noch 10 Mille. An die Sonderkommission vom LKA. Ich bin und war immer unschuldig. Was los? Come on, baby. Fast Life.
Ghetto G's in den Bands, Salam ya Choya. Ich sitze im VIP-Bereich und trinke Soda. Meine Gang ist fresh, fresh wie ne Cola. Mein Cash ist grün, mein Dope ist grün wie Meister Yoda. Ghetto G's in den Bands, Salam ya Choya.
That was cool, hearing a little bit of Meister Yoda at the end there. I really enjoyed that song when I reacted to it. That was pretty cool, so nice to hear a little bit of that there. But yeah, again, As It is very consistent. He's very consistent in his tracks. They're always very slick. very high quality, man, you know, so I see that it's had like almost 20 million views, so I can see that that's obviously very well received in Germany. He's obviously one of the top guys in German rap. You can really tell, like, you see guys like Bushido, Kaliga, who are everything's very high quality, you know, so I think as it fits in there, like the video, everything's pretty good. So yeah, just a couple of things to talk about from that song. What I like about As It is he's very diverse, so he can sing and he can rap, but when he sings it's not like lame, it's not too commercial, it's just pretty cool, man, so I like that about him. So he's got that diversity, got those skills that he can mix and match, and he doesn't need someone else to sing his hooks, he can do it himself, you know, which is pretty good. I think I've seen Zuna, I think that was the guy in the video with the beard. Yeah, one thing that I thought was interesting is when he held up the piece of paper and set it on fire, it said Haftbefehl, and I recognise that name as, I don't know if this is correct, but I recognise the name as a rapper who, I don't think I've reacted to him yet, but I've had recommendations to react to Haftbefehl, but just not got around to it yet. So if you wanted that, it will be coming soon, it's on my list, don't worry. But yeah, it looked like a contract, and it looked like Haftbefehl's name on it, and then obviously set it in fire on the video. So yeah, I'm not too sure if it's just a German word, if it means something, or if it is about Haftbefehl, the rapper. Maybe he used to be part of the KMN gang, and maybe he's now left or something like that. So I'm not too sure. Let me know about that. Definitely, that would be cool to find out. Obviously, I'll maybe have a look after this song online and see if I can find anything. So yeah, that's what I took from that. Yeah, maybe it's like some sort of diss to Haftbefehl or something. Maybe not. But yeah, just regards to like the beat was quite good. Sounded like an old school Dr. Dre, not too old school, but maybe like early 2000s type Dr. Dre beat. It had that kind of deep piano in the background. That was pretty cool. But all in all, yeah, very slick, very good song. I really enjoyed that one again. So I'll put the link in the description, go give it a watch, let me know what you think, and let me know about if that is a diss to Haftbefehl, and we'll leave it at that. Thanks.